You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is a smaller than 1. Let's solve it step by step. Group all constants on the right side of the inequality. Subtract 6 from both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the a. Divide both sides by 2. Simplify the fraction. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is a smaller than 1.